Good morning, dear students. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel with Tarkeshwar Pandey. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to know about our chapter number 17, and the heading of this chapter is Plant Life. So today we will know about this chapter, Plant Life. We look different plants around us. Some plants are very small, some are big, some are very big. We look plants in different shapes and sizes. Really, plants are very important for us. We get different things from plants like fruits, vegetables, grains, medicines, wood, etc. Plants also make the air clean. So it is very interesting to know about plants. Dear students, do you know most plants start their life as a seed? These seeds need air, water, soil, and sunlight to grow. Once again, know about this. Seeds need mainly 4 things for their growth. Number 1, air. Number 2, water. Number 3, soil. And number 4, sunlight. Today we will know about the types of plants and their examples. There are mainly 5 types of plants. Number 1, herbs. Number 2, shrubs. Number 3, trees. Number 4, climbers. And number 5, creepers. Now know about these types of plants one by one. Some plants are very small in size. They have soft and thin stems. They are called herbs. So we can say that herbs are very small in size, and herbs have soft and thin stems. So we can say the definition of herbs as the very small plants having soft and thin stems are called herbs. Once again, I am going to repeat this definition of herbs. The very small plants having soft and thin stems are called herbs. Now know some examples of herbs. Number 1, grass. Number 2, mint. Number 3, spinach. So grass, mint and spinach are the examples of herbs. Now know about the next types of plant, that is shrubs. Some plants are much smaller than trees. They have woody stems. They are called shrubs. So we can say that shrubs are much smaller than trees, and shrubs have woody stems. So we can say the very simple definition of shrubs: the small plants having woody stems are called shrubs. Once again, I am going to repeat the definition of shrubs. The small plants having woody stems are called shrubs. Now know the examples of shrubs: rose, mehndi, cotton. Rose, mehndi and cotton are example of shrubs. You can look easily in rose, mehndi and cotton plants. They have woody stems and they are much smaller than trees. So you can say that rose, mehndi and cotton are the examples of shrubs. Now know the next plant, that is trees. Some plants are very big and strong. They have thick brown and woody stems. They are called trees. So we can say that trees are very big and strong plants. Trees have thick brown and woody stems. So now come to the definition of trees. The very big and strong plants having thick brown and woody stems are called trees. Once again, I am going to repeat this definition of trees. The very big and strong plants having thick brown and woody stems are called trees. Now know some examples of trees: mango tree, teak tree, neem tree. Mango tree, teak tree and neem tree are examples of trees. You can easily look here. Mango tree has thick brown and woody stem. You can also look, this mango tree is very big and strong. So you can say that mango is the example of tree. After that, we are going to know about the next plant, and our next plant is climbers. Some weak plants need support to stand straight. They are called climbers. It means climbers need support to stand straight, otherwise they cannot stand straight. So we can see the definition of climbers as the weak plants that need support to stand straight are called climbers. Once again, I am going to repeat this definition. The weak plants that need support to stand straight are called climbers. Now know some examples of climbers: pea plant, money plant, grapevine. Pea plant, money plant and grapevine are the examples of climbers. After knowing about climbers, now we are going to know about next plant, and next plant is creepers. Some plants with weak stems creep on the ground. They are called creepers. It means creepers are also weak stem plants, and creepers creep on the ground. They cannot stand straight. So we can say the definition of creepers as the plants having weak stems that creep on the ground are called creepers. Once again, the plants having weak stems that creep on the ground are called creepers. Now know some examples of creepers: watermelon, muskmelon, bottle gourd. Watermelon, muskmelon and bottle gourd are the examples of creepers. So you can look easily here. Watermelon, muskmelon and bottle gourd all are weak stem plants and they creep on the ground. So once again, I am going to repeat the types of plants. Look in the picture: grass, mint, spinach. Grass, mint and spinach are very small in size and they have soft and thin stems. So you can say that grass, mint and spinach are the examples of herbs. After that, look these pictures of rose, mehndi and cotton. Rose, mehndi and cotton are much smaller than trees and they have woody stems. So you can say rose, mehndi and cotton are the examples of shrubs. After that, look these pictures of mango tree, teak tree and neem tree. You can look easily here. These plants are very big and strong, and these plants have thick brown and woody stems. So you can say that mango tree, teak tree and neem tree are the examples of trees. After that, look these three pictures of pea plant, money plant and grapevine. You can easily find that these plants need support to stand straight, and these plants have also weak stems. So you can say that pea plant, money plant and grapevine are the examples of climbers. Now look the examples of these plants: watermelon, muskmelon and bottle gourd. You can easily find here in watermelon, muskmelon and bottle gourd that these plants have weak stems and these plants creep on the ground. So you can say that watermelon, muskmelon and bottle gourd are the examples of creepers. Sometimes you look some plants grow in water. So those plants that grow in water are called water plants. Once again, I am going to repeat about this. The plants grow in water are called water plants. Now know some examples of water plants. Lotus and water hyacinth are the examples of water plants. So look in this picture, you can find two examples of water plants, lotus and water hyacinth. So you can easily say that those plants that grow in water are called water plants. Now we are going to know about parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. A plant has many parts: root, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits are main parts of a plant. Most plants bear green leaves. So look once again the parts of a plant. Look from the bottom. You can find here a root. After that, you can look the stem of this plant. Then after, you can look the branch of this plant. After that, you can also look the leaves of this plant. So leaf is the next part of the plant, and you can look leaves in green color. After that, flower. Flower is the next part of the plant, and you can look flower in different colors. After that, fruit is the next part of the plant. So these are the main parts of a plant. Once again, look and observe these parts of the plants: root, stem, branch, leaf, flower, and fruit. After knowing about parts of a plant, now we are going to know about some uses of plants. So be ready and now know some uses of plants. Number 1, plants make the air clean. Once again, plants make the air clean. Number 2, plants give us food like fruits, vegetables, and grains. Once again, plants give us food like fruits, vegetables, and grains. Number 3, some plants give us flowers. Once again, some plants give us flowers. Number 4, some plants are used to make medicines. Once again, some plants are used to make medicines. Number 5, plants give us cotton for making clothes. Once again, plants give us cotton for making clothes. Number 6, plants give food and shelter to animals and birds. Once again, plants give food and shelter to animals and birds. So after knowing the uses of plants, now we are going to revise this chapter once again. In this chapter, we have known that plants are very important for us. We have known that 4 important requirements of plants: air, water, soil, and sunlight. So air, water, soil, and sunlight are very important for plants. We have also known types of plants like herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers, and water plants. After that, we have known about parts of a plant: root, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits are the main parts of a plant. After that, we have known about uses of plants. So I hope you have understood these all concepts in this chapter. We will meet again with the next new chapter. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a nice day.